Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I'm your host, Brandon, and today I'm coming to you from the passenger seat because the sun is going bananas on that side. But without further ado, we're gonna get straight into this. Today we have Fille de Berlin by Serge Lutens. There it is right there. Bam. Can't tell if you can see it or not. All right, so far the house has been amazing. Absolutely love this house. I'm very excited to see this. All right, this looks like a rose fragrance. We're just gonna go ahead and unsheathe this thing. It's so cute. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know why my screen just went black. That can't be good. We're gonna finish this though. So let's get this on the back of the palm. Oh, there it is. Dab. Ooh, a dab will do you. Wow, very rosy indeed. Very rosy indeed. Okay, we have rose, fresh spice, floral, aromatic, and honey. This is one of the sweeter roses. Very flowery. I would say more of a feminine leaning rose. For sure, for sure. All right, let's get into the notes here. Rose in the top notes, along with geranium. In the mid, you have Palmarosa. And in the base, you have honey, moss, and patchouli. Definitely getting a lot of moss and patchouli. This is a very mature fragrance. This says class, this says distinguished, this says affluent. This is a timeless fragrance. This is a fragrance that I don't know when it came out, but I don't see that it came out in 2013. Yeah, so I mean, I don't ever see this getting old, played out. It is very mature, so you have to be careful with that. Definitely feminine. Let's get that out of the way now. It's one of those fragrances that's very high quality and great at what it does, but not necessarily overly creative, right? It's dope. I like it. I wonder if it's as red as the juice is as red as the image. Super red. I'd love to see that. But yeah, guys, I would say if you're into a rose fragrance, you want something classy, distinguished, and very mature, this would be the one to get. This is an excellent fragrance for, so you can get this for your mom at any age, and you know, probably like, you know, maybe an auntie or a grandma. This reminds me of that rose that you used to smell in church that would just like choke out the whole room, right? You wouldn't want to wear this on a hot day, a humid day. This is a very dense fragrance. I got a little oil sheen on my wrist after spraying it, and I did it was probably like a quarter spray. Those atomizers are insane, so it was probably like less than a quarter. But at the end of the day, definitely something that is very strong and very powerful. So that's it. Those are my thoughts. Let me know in the comment section what you guys are getting at, how you feel about the fragrance. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.